I am alphabet A. I make the sound as in apple. Let's learn A words. A for apple. A for ant. A for airplane.
Hello, kids. I am letter B. I make the sound B as in ball. Let's learn B words. B for ball. B for banana. B for butterfly. Hello, kids. I am letter C. I make the sound k as in cat. Let's learn C words. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. Hello, kids. I am letter D. I make the sound duh. Duh as in dog. Let's learn D words. D for dog. D for duck. D for drum. Hello, kids. I am letter E. I make the sound eh. Eh as in elephant. Let's learn E words.
E for elephant. Say elephant.
E for egg.
E for envelope.
Hello, kids. I am letter F. I make the sound f. As in fish, say fish clearly. Let's learn F words. F for fish, say fish. F for frog. F for fan. Hello, kids. I am letter G. I make the sound g. G as in goat. Say goat clearly. Let's learn G words. G for goat. Say goat. G for grapes. G for gift. Hello, kids. I am letter H. I make the sound sh as in hat. Hat. Let's learn H words. H for hat. Say hat. H for house. H for horse.
Hello, kids. I am letter I. I make the sound as in igloo.
Let's learn I words. I for igloo. I for ink. I for insect.
Hello, kids. I am letter J. I make the sound Jew, as in juice.
Let's learn J words. J for juice. J for jar. J for jelly.
Hello, kids. I am letter K. I make the sound K. K, as in kite.
Let's learn K words. K for kite.
K for king.
K for key.
Hello, kids. I am letter L. I make the sound L as in lion. Let's learn L words. L for lion. L for lamp. L for leaf.
Hello, kids. I am letter M. I make sound as in mango. Let's learn M words. M for mango. M for monkey. M for moon. Hello, kids. I am letter N. I make the sound as in nest. Let's learn N words. N for nest. N for net. Right. Nose. Hello, kids. I am letter O. I make the sound O. O as in orange. S.
Let's learn O words.
O for orange.
O for owl. O for octopus.
Hello, kids. I am letter P. I make the sound as in pen.
Let's learn P words. P for pen. P for parrot. P for pizza.
Hello, kids. I am letter Q. I make the sound coo. Coo as in queen.
Let's learn Q words. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for quail.
Hello, kids. I am letter R. I make the sound rrr, rrr, as in rabbit.
Let's learn R words. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rock.
Hello, kids, I am letter S. I make the sound S, as in sun.
Let's learn S words. S for sun. S for snake. S for star.
Hello, kids. I am letter T. I make the sound T. T as in tiger. Let's learn T words. T for tiger. T for table. T for train. Hello, kids. I am letter U. I make the sound as in umbrella.
Let's learn U words. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for up.
Hello, kids. I am letter V. I make the sound V, V as in van. Let's learn V words. V for van. V for violin. V for vase.
Hello, kids. I am letter W. I make the sound WA. WA as in watch. Let's learn W words. W for watch. W for water. W for whale.
Hello, kids. I am letter X. I make the sound X as in box. Let's learn X words.
X for box. X for fox.
X for X-ray. Hello, kids. I am letter Y. I make the sound U. Yeah, as in yellow. Let's learn Y words. Y for yellow. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Hello, kids. I am letter Z. I make the sound ziz as in zebra.
Let's learn Z words. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zip.